Who is really in control? People misunderstand what power really is. Power is not physical strength like you think. It's not politics. It's not even technology. Real power is invisible, and that power is money. But not the money in your pocket, the system that controls it. What were we taught as children? If you work, you earn. Save money, stay safe. Put it in the bank, let it grow. It sounds logical, but no one asks you this question. What is actually growing? Because when you deposit money into a bank, it doesn't stay there. The system takes it, splits it, distributes it, and multiplies it. This is called fractional reserve banking. But what's really happening is this. Your $1,000 turns into $10,000 inside the system. But that $10,000 doesn't actually exist. There is only debt. Yes. What you call money is actually debt. And debt is a chain, an invisible chain. Banks give you loans, you buy a house, you buy a car. You feel happy, but you don't realize something. What you're buying is not freedom, it's dependency. And the darkest part of this system is this. Debt never truly ends, because the money created by the system is demanded back with interest. But that interest was never created in the system, which means mathematically, it is impossible for everyone to win. Someone has to lose, and most of the time, that someone is you. So why do crises happen? Why does the economy collapse? Crises are not accidents. They are part of the system. Bubbles are inflated. People are pushed into debt. Markets rise. Everyone feels like they're winning. And then suddenly, the system changes direction. Interest rates rise. Money is pulled out. Panic begins. And everything collapses like dominoes. In 2008, people lost their homes. They lost their jobs. They lost their futures. But the system came out stronger. Banks were bailed out. Money was printed. And the game started again. Have you ever thought about this? Why do the rich get richer after every crisis? Because they use the system. You live inside it. The truth is this. Money is not just a tool. It is a control mechanism. Inflation is a hidden tax. Interest is behavioral control. Debt is dependency. And you were born into this game. You didn't create the rules. But you have to play. Wake up. Work. Earn. Spend. Borrow. Repeat. This is a cycle, and most people never realize it for their entire lives. But some do, and the moment they do, everything changes. Because the real question is not, how do I make more money? The real question is, how does this system actually work? And where do I stand in it? Because without understanding the system, you can never be free inside it. And maybe the most disturbing part is this. The system is not broken. It was designed to work exactly like this. And once you understand that, you can never play the same game again. But remember this. Questioning the system is the first step to stepping outside of it, and the system does not like those who step outside.